For nearly 40 weeks, a baby has grown safely inside the mother's womb. But
labor is the body's natural process of bringing new life into the world. Every contraction, every movement, and every breath works together in one of the most amazing events in human biology.
labor often begins when hormones signal that the baby is ready. Oxytocin, known as the love hormone, triggers powerful contractions of the uterus, longer and closer together. At the bottom of the uterus is the cervix. During pregnancy, it stays tightly closed. As labor begins, it softens, shortens, and slowly opens. With every contraction, the baby is gently pushed lower into the pelvis. Most babies rotate so the head faces downward, the safest position for birth. This movement helps prepare the baby for delivery. For some women, the amniotic sac breaks throughout pregnancy. But once labor is underway, the baby is ready to continue the journey without it. Each contraction pushes the baby a little farther down the birth canal. Although contractions can be painful, they have an important purpose. They help move the baby safely toward birth. Once the cervix is fully dilated, the mother begins pushing with each contraction. Eventually, the baby's head becomes visible. This moment is called crowning and signals that birth is very close.
With one final series of pushes, the baby's shoulders and body gently emerge. After months of growth inside the womb, the baby finally enters the world and takes the first breath.
The baby's first breath fills the lungs with air. Blood circulation changes almost instantly, allowing oxygen to flow through the body without depending on the placenta. After birth, the umbilical cord is clamped and cut. The baby no longer depends on the placenta for oxygen and nutrients. A new chapter of independent life has begun. Labor isn't quite finished. The uterus continues contracting to deliver the placenta, the remarkable organ that nourished me throughout pregnancy. This final stage usually takes only a few minutes. Immediately after birth, the uterus begins shrinking back toward its pre-pregnancy size, while oxytocin supports both recovery and breastfeeding. Labor is one of the most extraordinary processes in nature. Through strength, teamwork, and incredible biological design throughout this remarkable journey,